kindly help us? My daughter doesn't wake up since this morning even after my proddings.
Okay, bring her inside.
Mother.
Ma'am, right now we do not see any problem with your daughter, but we will continue to observe her. Meanwhile, I will prepare an admitting order so she can stay at the hospital for 24 hours observation.
Thank you, doctor.
I'd like to ask you some questions regarding Eileen. Can you tell me the circumstance before she went to bed last night?
There was nothing unusual to her last night, except that she went home late from a party. According to her, she had a couple of bottles of beer, but she seemed okay.
What else did you notice?
Oh, I almost forgot. She took a Toclase tablet before going to bed because she complained of cough.
Okay, thank you for the information.